Okay, I finished painting my Matrix. Got the Matrix because my Camry was in an accident. I rewrapped this. I gotta rewrap the light when I get the chance. Rewrap the sides and the side skirt there to match up to the other side. So she's all done, waxed and everything. Washed her too, waxed her as well. I got Sirius A and B on that side now. Random planets here. Got the solar system on this side. Black holes on all 4 tires. The front 2 has galaxy in it. The back one doesn't. They're just a black hole floating through space. I got Unicron back here. I mean, they're both Decepticons, as you can see. So, you know, Unicron's the king. Got Bella Pulsar in the back. I always liked the noise that it made. Found it on YouTube a while back. But yeah,